For generations, astronomers have mapped the silent darkness of space, tracking comets, asteroids, and countless wandering objects. But every so often, something appears that refuses to fit into any known category, an object so strange that it bends the limits of human understanding. 3I Atlas is one of those cosmic anomalies. This visitor does not belong to our solar system. It came racing in from deep interstellar space on a hyperbolic path, too fast, too free, and too distant to ever be captured by the Sun's gravity. It is officially recognized as the third confirmed interstellar object, following the mysterious Oumuamua 1I, 2017 U1, and the icy traveler 2I, Borisov, 2019. At first, scientists were only fascinated by its speed and inbound direction. But fascination quickly turned to shock. 3I Atlas refused to behave like any ordinary comet or asteroid. It appeared to be accompanied by massive unknown bodies, large structures or fragments traveling alongside it, almost as if they were companions. This discovery sent waves through the scientific world. Were these pieces simply breaking off as the object warmed? Were they natural fragments? Or were these bodies something else entirely, company travelers, satellites, or leftovers of a once larger, more complex system? Telescopes across Earth and space immediately focused on this strange intruder. The Atlas network in Chile and other observatories around the planet began collecting images and data. The more scientists analyzed it, the stranger it became. The companion objects weren't just dust or clouds. They were large, distinct, structured masses, either orbiting the main nucleus or moving alongside it with uncanny stability. If true, the implications were massive. One theory suggests 3I Atlas might be shedding gigantic chunks of rock and ice as it nears the Sun. Another proposes it may actually be a multi-body system, like a small cluster of interstellar objects traveling together, something never before witnessed. Then came the boldest speculation. A few researchers wonder whether these objects could be non-natural, dense and possibly engineered, bonded to the nucleus in ways no comet has ever shown. While these ideas remain speculative, their mere discussion highlights how unusual this event truly is. Scientists estimate the main body spans over 5.5 kilometers, far larger than typical visiting comets. Its origin lies in remote, frozen regions between the stars, moving at speeds too great for the Sun to trap. Yet the presence of multiple companion masses introduced a deeper mystery. Could 3I Atlas once have been part of a moon-planet system, ripped free from its home star by gravitational forces? Or is it the shattered remains of a world destroyed long ago and cast into the interstellar void? Every measurement adds new layers to this puzzle. Its chemical fingerprints do not perfectly match those of familiar comets. Its dust grains, volatile materials, and spectra carry subtle but unmistakable differences, marks of a birthplace far beyond the boundaries of our solar neighborhood. If the companion bodies trailing alongside 3I Atlas are merely fragments, then they could hold the fossilized memories of events that unfolded billions of years before our Sun was even born. But if they are intact, stable co-travelers, ancient partners that have journeyed with the main object across unimaginable distances, then 3I Atlas may represent something unprecedented, the first interstellar cluster ever witnessed drifting through our own celestial neighborhood. Just the possibility reshapes the boundaries of imagination. For a system of multiple bodies to be torn from a distant star, survive the violent expulsion, endure radiation storms, cosmic collisions, interstellar shockwaves, and the silence of light years of travel, yet still arrive in our solar system as a coherent group, is nothing short of extraordinary. And now, this alien wanderer has entered our skies, offering humanity a rare and precious opportunity, the chance to study a foreign system without ever launching a spacecraft beyond Earth's orbit. The companions and their cosmic consequences. Ever since its discovery, 3I Atlas has triggered a global scientific mobilization. From mountaintop observatories to cutting-edge space telescopes, every major instrument is now locked onto this mysterious visitor. Earth-based telescopes analyze its shifting brightness and rapid motion. The Hubble Space Telescope searches for structural details invisible from the ground. And the James Webb Space Telescope probes its chemical signatures, revealing hints of exotic elements and unusual ice compositions. But studying this object is a scientific challenge of the highest order. Its secondary bodies are faint, their shapes blurred by distance and speed. Some appear to drift, others seem to orbit, and several only emerge in specific wavelengths of light. Distinguishing real companions from dust plumes, reflections, or gravitational distortions requires simulations, repeated observations, and patience measured in months. Scientists continue to ask the same pressing questions. Are the companions truly gravitationally bound to the main nucleus? Were they ripped away from a star system during a catastrophic encounter? Are they ancient moons, long-lost satellites that have survived a billion-year exile? Do they share the same chemical fingerprint, or do their compositions reveal multiple birthplaces? If their materials differ, it suggests 3I Atlas may have originated in a star system with multiple planetary zones, perhaps with icy outer belts, rocky inner worlds, and complex gravitational interactions. Such a find would offer humanity the first real glimpse into how planets and moons form around distant suns, revealing the chemistry and architecture of a world we will never visit. More than science, but the implications of this discovery reach far beyond astronomy. For planetary defense teams, it is a sobering reminder that interstellar visitors can arrive without warning, large, fast, and unpredictable. 3I Atlas is harmless, but it demonstrates how complex and massive these objects can be. Philosophically, it forces us to confront a deeper truth. Our solar system is not isolated. It is a crossroads in a much larger galactic network where material drifts freely between stars. Fragments from ancient worlds, long-dead suns, and collapsed systems pass through our domain without ceremony. And some scientists believe these wandering clusters may even transport complex organic molecules, or the precursors of life itself, across the galaxy. If so, 3I Atlas might not merely be a visitor. It could be a courier of chemistry, carrying the seeds of creation from one system to another. Whether or not life's ingredients are riding with it, the possibility adds a quiet poetry to its presence. Preparing for a new era, this discovery will reshape how future missions are designed. If humanity ever decides to intercept an interstellar object, we must be prepared for clusters rather than solitary bodies, systems far more intricate than the simple comet models we once used. 3I Atlas is a cosmic reminder that the universe is far more diverse and dynamic than our textbooks imply. Each measurement, each image, each tiny wobble in its trajectory reveals a narrative, a universe where travelers rarely journey alone, and where interstellar caravans may be the hidden norm. A window into our own beginnings. As the strange companions of 3I Atlas continue their silent passage through our solar system, they offer a fleeting window into the processes that shaped stars, moons, and living planets across the galaxy. Soon, the cluster will drift back into deep space, fading into darkness beyond the reach of even our most powerful telescopes. But the mysteries it leaves behind will linger for decades, perhaps centuries. Because inside these massive, unfamiliar bodies, we find more than an alien visitor. We find echoes of ourselves. A reflection of the era when our own solar system was a swirling sea of fragments. A reminder that worlds rise from chaos. A reminder that our galaxy is alive with motion and exchange. A reminder that every star, every dust grain, every wandering traveler shares a place in the great cosmic dance. 3I Atlas is not just an interstellar object. It is a messenger from a distant sunlit realm, briefly illuminated by our own star before it continues its eternal journey into the unknown.